What's going on, guys? My name is Mac Lawrence. On today's video, we are going to how to make a TNT run. So let's play my world over here. I create new world just like this. So this is very simple. It's only in creative mode, not survival mode, because this is a spawner. It's called shulker spawner. Spawn shulker egg. So what you gotta do is spawn of them in box. Go to survival and you will die when you fall the ground. You will be flying and just drop and you die. So just very simple I made on this video. Subscribe and like this video. Bye.